Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Instagram Reels. First thing, you want to launch the Instagram app, then you want to click on the Reels icon on the right side.
You never got married and never had.
You want to stop the sound, and let's say we want to download this video. We want to click on the three dots on the lower right corner of the reel, right? And now you want to copy the link. Click at the link button over here. Now the link has been copied. All we gotta do is to go on Google, right? You click on Google Chrome and you gotta find an app that's called Publer.io. This app has no ads, no watermarks, no registration. Let's paste the link over here and let's click download. As you can see now, the reel has been processed. If you scroll down, you would find, if you click play, this is going to be a video, and here you're going to click download. This is where you're gonna download. As you can see, also you can paste and copy and download Instagram photos, Instagram videos, Instagram stories. You can also download TikTok videos. Very interesting stuff over here. As usual guys, do your own research and due diligence. There is obviously much more to learn, but this is what I've seen a lot of people are using to download Instagram Reels. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.